So 4.2, I talk about integer exponents. So here the objective, we want to learn to simplify expressions with negative exponents and to evaluate the zero exponent. So we want to learn to simplify expressions with negative exponents and to evaluate zero exponent. So we want to learn to simplify expressions with negative exponents and to evaluate zero exponent. So from here, 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100. 10 to the power of 1 is 10. 10 to the power of 0 is 1. This is zero property of the exponents. So anything to the power of 0 is 1. 10 to the power of negative 1 is 1 over 10, which is 0.1. 10 to the power of negative 2, which is 0.01. 10 to the power of negative 3, which is 0.001. So example 1, I want to use a pattern to simplify negative exponents. So 10 to the power of negative 4 becomes 1 over 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So 1 over 10,000, 0.0001. Okay, 10 to the power of negative 5 equals to 1 over 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equals to 1 to the power of 10 over 5 equals to 1 over 100,000 equals to 0.00001. So negative exponents, in the words, any non-zero number raised to a negative power equals 1 divided by the number raised to the opposite positive power. So 5 to the power of negative 3 equals to 1 over 5 cubed equals to 1 over 125. So in algebra, b to the power of negative n equals to 1 over b to the power of n if b does not equal to 0. So in numbers, 5 to the power of negative 3 equals to 1 over 5 cubed equals to 1 over 125. So in algebra, b to the power of negative n equals to 1 over b to the power of n. So now, to simplify, here, 1 over negative 2 to the power of positive 3. So it's 1 over negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So it's 1 over negative 8. So let's just say question B. So this is 1 over 6 to the power of 4. 1 over 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. 1 over 1,296. So now we want to talk about the zero power. So in the zero power of any number except 0 equals to 1. So 100 to the power of 0 equals to 1. Negative 7 to the power of 0 equals to 1. algebraically a to the power of 0 equals to 1 if a does not equals to 0. So now I want to simplify this. Equals to 2, use 0 property, equals to 1 minus 6 to the power of negative 2. Combine the like terms, 3 minus 1 over 6 squared. 3 minus 1 over 36, end up with 2 and 35 over 36.